Welcome to the world of COBOL, a language designed for business and built on the foundation of human language. Unlike complex symbolic codes, COBOL uses English-like syntax to ensure that instructions remain readable and logical for developers and analysts alike. Visit Pacta Cobol Lab website. To communicate with the system, we use descriptive verbs that clearly state our intent. One of the most essential verbs is display, which acts as a direct command to present information to the user or the log. Every command requires an object to act upon, which we call a literal when it is fixed text. By placing the word hello inside quotation marks, we define exactly what the system needs to process. When we combine these elements into the statement display hello, we are writing a complete sentence. The computer reads this instruction from left to right, identifying the action first and the subject second, mirroring the way we read a book. Once the instruction is written, the system prepares to execute the command. The display verb triggers a process that moves our data from the code into the active output stream of the computer. The final result is the transformation of code into visible information. On the terminal screen, the quotation marks vanish, and the word hello appears clearly, fulfilling the instruction we wrote in plain English. COBOL is more than just a programming language, it is a bridge between human thought and machine logic. Because you can read it like a sentence, you can understand its purpose at a single glance, making it a powerful tool for clear communication.